Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, let's continue the series of geometry nodes. I will talk about the attribute randomize node. As shown in our example, I will continue the previous tutorial about it. This time I'm going to be randomizing the rotation attribute using just the attribute randomize. Let's randomize the rotation of our icospheres or UV spheres. For this, we will again duplicate our attribute randomize node and place it on the right hand side of the position attribute randomize node. So let's move on. The first step is I'm gonna be changing the data type to float. The reason we are using a float is that we want to use one value to rotate our instance in all axes. You can use a vector to have exact control over how we rotate. However, for this example, we are going to use a float. Change operator setting to replace create. As shown here in our tutorial. Then the next step is change the attribute setting to rotation. Just I forgot to duplicate this node. So I will duplicate it. Let me show you something very interesting. I have duplicated one of these nodes. Attribute randomize is the same node. Just I have changed some operators, like attributes is gonna be in this part to scale, and this attribute for position. I have talked about it earlier. So also for attribute randomize, this node is connected to attribute randomize, and to have some you have to do some settings like this. In this case, or for this node, you should choose attribute is rotation, and your node tree and scene should now look like this. This time I'm gonna be setting the minimum value to 0, hit enter. Then the maximum value should be set to 10, like this. You can see what we have got in our scene. You can notice that we have a random rotation, the 3D viewport window showing randomized rotations. So for example, tap into edit mode as shown here, and you can notice that you have different and random rotation for each UV sphere as shown in our example. And this is very amazing. This time I want to change the instance object. It's very easy to change your instance object into something else. Let's do that now. Start by creating a new instance object in our scene. For this, we will be adding Suzanne object. So just let's zoom out just a little bit. First step is with your mouse pointer of the 3D viewport editor. Let's press Shift A. You should follow along my tutorial to understand step by step. When pressing Shift A, it's gonna be showing the add menu as you can see here. Let's select mesh is a monkey. Where is it? Here is it, Suzanne monkey. Over there. Next step, move the Suzanne mesh to the side of our scene by pressing G and pressing X, G, then X. So let's drag it like this to move it away from our collection. So just G and X, then grab it a little bit like this over there. So click on one of the UV spheres to view your geometry nodes. As you can see here, click on the point instance. So let's search, it's over there. And you have this great tree of life. It's a tree of nodes. Then you should click on it over there. Then add Suzanne monkey. It's gonna be creating this great collection of Suzanne monkey. Click on the point instance now to select it, and we have done. We have created this great scene full of Suzanne monkey. Thanks for watching. See you in next tutorial. I think I will continue just geometry nodes, and in future tutorials I will upload some great videos about new add-ons and how to use them in order to speed up your workflow. Thanks for watching.